Hello, and welcome to another Frazer tutorial, this time looking at floor planning in the vehicle file. Let's begin by clicking to select a vehicle in your inventory file. This vehicle was previously entered with a cost of $1,400 and paid for with account 1000 cash in bank. Now, suppose that you are going to floor plan this vehicle. Click on the Floor Planning tab at the top of the vehicle file, and then check that this vehicle was floor planned. Immediately, Frazer will ask you to choose the floor plan company that you would like to use based on the ones that you have previously entered. If this is a new floor plan company, just click on Add Floor Plan Company. After adding the company's information, you have the ability to set defaults such as the interest rate, any fees that may be charged to you, and whether they are charged one time or per curtailment. And then any defaults with regards to the term. Let's say that this company always has 120-day floor plans with payments due at 30 days, 60 days, 90, and so on, and then 25% due at each payment. Once we save these defaults, when this company is selected as the floor plan company, these defaults will be brought over to the floor plan screen. Change any of the information as it pertains to this floor plan. As you can see, Frazer will estimate your floor plan costs based on the numbers that you have entered, and transfer these costs to your main vehicle cost screen. Once you click OK, the floor plan is added. Frazer will move the cost of the vehicle from the account used to pay for it initially, in this case 1000 cash in bank, and transfer those costs to the 2110 notes payable account. Your costs for this floor plan, for example fees and interest, will not post to the general ledger until the payments are made. When the time comes to make a payment, open up your floor planning screen. Based on the defaults, Frazer may have estimated what each payment may end up being. Make sure you enter the date of the curtailment, the amount of the payment, and verify the actual amount of principal and fees that were paid. If there is any difference, just enter the actual amounts on the line. When you click OK to save, Frazer will debit the existing 2110 floor plan account and credit the account that you have selected to pay for your floor plans. By default, account 2000 accounts payable. You can change this account to something different on tab 8 of your system options. In addition, Frazer will also post an expense to the amount of the fees and the interest paid on that account. If the payment that you are posting is the final curtailment or closing, you will add this payment in the floor plan closed line and the amount of the final fees and interest accrued, and Frazer will consider this floor plan closed. When you complete a sale with an open floor plan, Frazer will ask you if you would like to close the floor plan at that time or wait until later. And if you ever would like a report of your floor planning activities, click Reports, and then Vehicle Inventory Reports, and then Floor Planning. You will have the option to pull a report of all your open floor plans, or you can pull all of your closed floor plans based on a range of dates. And that is how to work with the Floor Planning tab in your vehicle file. As always, thanks for choosing Frazer.